Heather, you want to say hi to your vlog?
Welcome to the vlog. It's a great intro clip.
I know, right? Yeah.
Some people love the college that they pick and some people hate it. I personally think it has a lot to do with what you decide to do with your time outside of class, such as getting involved, making friends, and joining clubs. I think that choosing what you do with your free time is really important and can sometimes make or break your college experience. So I'm going to show you what I've done with some of my free time in the last 2 weeks. Recently, my friends created an intramural soccer team, which sounded really fun to me because I've grown up playing soccer. However, almost none of my friends have actually played soccer before. So in preparation for our upcoming very serious and extremely competitive intramural season, we scheduled our very first practice.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the first practice of Team Brothers.
Adiba, how's your first practice as coach going?
So fun.
Richard, how's your first practice?
Tiring.
Jeffrey, how's your practice?
The passing could be better. The dribbling's pretty good. But yeah, looking forward to it.
Heather, can you make a hype video?
Go! I'm gonna be honest, they're all pretty good. We have our MVP here, Adiba, star player. Look at those dribbling skills.
Good touch. Dad, videotaping these things. Passion!
Also, along with joining the intramural team, I also joined a new club that's focused on video and adventuring, which are two of my favorite things. So far, it has definitely not disappointed.
What up, Heather's boys? Oh, not on.
In addition to doing things that you enjoy, I think it's also important to do things outside of your comfort zone. For example, for me, I really prioritize sleep. So when I got the option of going on a sunrise hike, which required me to wake up at 4 a.m., I was a little surprised when I said yes. But then there I was at the Reddish Knob parking lot at 5:50 a.m. in the dark, walking through the woods with people that I had only known for 1 week.
I actually preferred you play soccer from kindergarten to 3rd grade.
No.
I didn't realize you were actually
But I think that's what college is all about, going out and doing things outside your comfort zone, whether that's through joining something new that you've never done, or by trying something you have done with people that you've never met, or by doing something completely different. There are honestly endless opportunities in college, and you get to pick how your experience goes, so it really is all up to you, which is why I think so many people have very different college experiences. But long story short, college is what you make of it, so it really is all up to you. And again, in case I don't say this enough, I am really appreciative of everyone that I've met so far in my college experience, and I can't wait to see where it goes. Whether you are a part of my college experience or not, I really do appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.
Party rockers in the house tonight. Everybody is out.